I'm muted. Hello. Let's get back to business today. This is almost as embarrassing as the last time I did this. Not quite, though. I remembered to plug my mic in today. Kill that. Maybe I should have a second shot at that intro. So what we're going to be doing today, as the title says, I've got one little bug that I want to fix, which involves... Let's see here. Oh wait, I've still got 4 players in the scene, don't I? 5 of them. Precious thing. Let's just delete all these guys. So when we launched the game, one minor little bug that I found was that if you start charging up and then you fall off an edge and you let go of the charge and you start charging up again, that color becomes much, much darker. Which, I don't know, I kind of like the red, honestly. I kind of like it going to red. The question is, does it start at yellow? No, it starts at orange and goes to red. I kind of want to make, as a little flavor piece, just to solidify, to really ham-fist that this is a can of soda. I really want to just put a piece of logo and have that like punched in at the very top in that big empty space up here. I really want there to just be a punched in version of the logo like right here, sort of just hanging down this way. I think that'll really send everything home. But that I don't think I'm doing today. I think I'll be doing that later. Probably Monday? Or... No, I don't think I'm streaming on the weekends right now. I need to see... I don't know if Hunter wants to do anything Borderlands again this weekend. Because now he's got a free weekend, I think. But I think he's only got like 1 or 2 free weekends. Which isn't a lot of time to do a story game. Yo. Okay. First thing we gotta do is try to fix that bug. And I might actually update it so that instead of just doing this player on something like that, I might need to see some of those values. Instead of just doing from yellow to orange, maybe I can get it to do yellow to red. I can do a full 255. I decided to throw on the Bomb Rush Cyberfunk playlist today as well. As you can probably already hear. I uploaded I uploaded a stream that I did. When did I do it? I think it was October 1st. But it had Thunderstruck playing in it, and apparently YouTube decided that it should strike that from everywhere. I've got to go cut that song out in order for any of it to be audible. Let's see, where are we looking here? What did I call this? I don't even remember. It's been so long since I looked at it. Modulate sprite overlay? That's it. First of all, I want to see what happens if I just... Modulate. Oh wait, that's alpha. So delta over the course of... I don't have a time for that, do I? No, I don't. I have an idle dance timer. That's for what you saw at the beginning. I don't think I have a timer for... Nope. Well. What does it get to? Let's find out. Let's see what it prints. She gets up to 0.5. It goes from 1 to 0.48. I. Wait, I'm printing out G, right? G minus equals delta, yeah? I must be thinking about it wrong then. It is an RGB, right? But it's CMYK, if I remember correctly. Actually, it's listed as RGB, but its actual values are CMYK. Or CMY, no K, actually. Can't I see it? Where is it? This one. It's visible. Oh, there it is. Yeah, okay, so I'm lowering the magenta. Or I'm strengthening the magenta, actually. 255 is white, which would be yellow. Because I made the sprite yellow to begin with. I could increase the yellow and make it more yellow. I actually think it turns slightly orange there. So it's getting to 0.4, which is 102. Is that 255 minus 102? Or is that 0.4 of 255? No, that looks about right for where it's at. 102. So it gets to here. Almost halfway. So I should be able to do a ×2 on that, actually, and fix that up pretty easily. If it's getting halfway down there, it should get all the way if I double it, right? Let's try that first. I want to see what this looks like in red every time. Is it just me, or is he really hard to look at right now? Might be the white background. Wait, hold on. Oh no, the gradient's still in the center. Never mind. Maybe it is the gradient causing it. Coming at ya. If I just did these under one. Oh wait, no, that's halfway. Hold on, whoops. I made a mistake. Swing. Funky. I honestly kind of like it just turning red instead of being orange. Although I could... If I took this and stop existing. Very slow increase. What's your name? What if it's just Delta?
That's amazing.
What? Removing the print stopped it? Oh no, it's because it's this. It's because I removed the 2 times. Okay, that was useless. Starts out as 1 for a while. And it starts to increase over time. Goes by 0.3 here, 0.3 here, 0.3 here. Say 0.3 all the way down, actually. Doesn't particularly matter. I don't think if this number goes over or under 0 to the negatives, just because it'll always be 255 at that point. Okay, so to fix that bug, there is still the bug of if state is falling, we want to reset the charge overlay. Oh, here we go. Reset charge modulation. What? I wanna know your name. No. Question says no. What happened to that falling? There we go. No Terminator. You're Terminator. It didn't do it. Fuck. Why not? Starts out as red. Whoops, this is gonna end poorly. Just slightly off in the colors. It's not a huge deal, but I can see it.
I want to fix it.
Maybe the modulate's still running in the background for some reason. Or the charge jump maybe doesn't get reset. Maybe the charge value is not being reset. Wait. Jump velocity, I think, is what I do for that. This should be handling that. If you're not on the floor, you're falling. So you're not on the floor. Doesn't matter whether you're on the floor or not, or whether you're holding the button or not, you're not on the floor. The jump velocity gets set to 0, and then that should also reset the sprite modulation. But it doesn't. Also, if you let go of the button, regardless of whether you're on the floor or not, it should reset the modulation. But it doesn't. You know, I've heard the term mipmaps before, but I still actually don't know what they are. I use the term mipmaps all the time at my old job, but I've never actually learned the definition of them. No one told me. And I never looked it up. I just knew that we didn't want them. And that was it. Hang on, let me look at the values. One to 0. Never resetting it. It goes to -1. So hang on. If I were to... It's going even higher. It's perpetually... Hold on, am I setting it to 0? Is my reset setting it to 0? It shouldn't be. It's like it's just not doing anything. Set alpha to 0 and set G to 1. Why did I have a check for if you were on the floor to reset that value? That was an odd idea to add on to that, which means I don't need this. The other direction should handle this. Let's refresh this just to be sure. Looks right to me. Shoot. Enchiridion. Yeah, okay, that looks right to me. Good. Wonder bar. That charge release bug marked off. I've got my whiteboard here. I've been using this as a to-do list recently. Very handy. Because I forget the things that I'm doing most of the time, and relying on my memory isn't a good idea because it sucks. So I'm making lists now. I live off of reminders. That's one thing done. Good work. Thanks. You're welcome. No problem. So next up, we're going to try to figure out audio, I think. I've been doing art for a while. I could work on that logo thing, but I think I want to do the audio stuff now. Parameter body is never used. Doesn't break syntax. Okay, so if it's an underscore on there, that means you don't intend to use it. It's a dummy value, basically. That's fun. Does that break the override at all? It didn't break anything, did it? Doesn't look like I broke anything. I'm gonna have to pause the music if we're gonna do audio stuff. Well, first things first, I can try to get the audio that I already had in here working again. I think something was wrong with my setup, though. Because I had audio working in the game, and then when I tried to export to itch, it just decided that it was not gonna work ever again. It was done. That was the end of it. And I don't know why. I never figured out why. That I had to basically just have no audio in the game whenever I submitted it. It was meh. I was fine at that point with something like that though, because it was already like 5 in the morning or something. 7 in the morning. I don't remember exactly how I got it to have audio here though. Yeah. Sorry about that. A sneeze, I have deed. Hopefully I blocked it from you guys. I don't like sneezing in people's ears. It's very rude, in my opinion. Sorry, I'm messing up a Rubik's Cube now. I like this Rubik's Cube. It's fun to fiddle with because it's not square. I'll solve it again in a second. It'll be fine. Zuby. I'm gonna have to go find that audio website now that I think about it too. I forgot what it was called. I think it was like Free Game Art or something like that. I could also do some Foley. I don't know what I have around me that I could use for actual in-game sounds, and it's gonna have to be recorded on my headset microphone if I do it. But it's a possibility. A possibility. Audio stream MP3. Where's the audio? Default bus layout. What happened to it? I don't have any audio files. Did I put it in scenes? No. Scripts? No. It's not hidden in visuals somewhere, is it? Ah, it is. Let's put it there instead. That looks a lot better. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to pause that for a second to test this, because otherwise it's going to be obnoxious to have both audios playing at the same time. Audio. I'm hopping mad. Oh, I didn't put it on repeat. Oops. Loop. Oh, wait, I have to... Hold on, there's like an import setting I have to do for this, I think, right? Yeah, loop, enable, re-import. Okay, let's try that. This song is called Happy Adventure. Hold on, I want to try to full force that jump. I don't know if this is impressive for like 3 weeks worth of work or what. I don't think so, but I can't tell. I have nothing to go off of really. A little nub saved me. Look at that. It does have a purpose. What's this? Forgiveness at the end of the game. This isn't a FromSoft game. Okay. Boom. Wait, hold on. How loud is that for you guys? Is that really loud or is that pretty normal? That's a bit louder than the music that I was playing, I guess. It seems like it matches my voice pretty well, though, when I'm not speaking, so maybe that's okay. Yeah, I can turn it down just a smidge. I don't think it ever gets louder than it is right now, so that should be okay. Lurking on Derpy's stream and they've just ended, but they've gotten in the habit recently of posting images of rats as they as they leave. They've got a bunch of images of different rats. It's a fun little addition. I don't mind it. I think it's cute. This music isn't getting annoying yet, is it? It's kind of what I'm testing right now. I don't think this is gonna get annoying. This loop I think is fine. Tell you what, by the end of the stream we'll know. That all depends. I guess it just playing is different from having it start and stop because I'm actually editing other sounds. All of these are flats, but I don't have flats. Which means I must have to pop something out from the bottom. Alright, I think that might be enough testing of this audio for right now. It did so, that's not right. I want to get the second layer done, then I'll go back. I know. Very exciting. It's a cube, kind of. Oh, I just messed everything up. Now it's got funky hair. Alright, let's stop that. Hold on, let me go to the itch page. I want to know. I don't know if I can tell how the music's going to be on the itch page unless I upload a build. So maybe I should start making a build and see if the audio plays. Dashboard. I got my hair done. Oh, you know what I should do? Now that I'm thinking about it as well. Where's my profile? That's what I want. I want to add my itch link to my Twitch. My itch to my Twitch. Well, that's not how I do that. Maybe I'll do that later, actually. I don't think I can edit that. We'll do that later. That'll be fine. I do want to go to the Clamber column page. Page. Edit. Game. This game will stay up for free as well. Just because it's very short, very simple. So let me export, because this hang on, let's make a new let's make a new path. Maybe not go into please work, I'm tired. Tests. Can I upload test files that are different? Index.html, yeah, that's fine. If it was for desktop, extension support. This is for debug, but okay, export project. Save. Let's see what that looks like to us. I just zip that folder up, is that what I did? I think that's what I did. Send to compressed. Hide this file and prevent it from being downloaded. All right, let's take a look at that. Save. View page. All the other stuff should have worked out as well. No audio. Wait, I got audio this time. What happened before then? Okay, that was interesting. Okay, we'll hide that for right now, and then I'll okay. Save. Just in case I didn't already. Let's just do some more audio then. Hide the portals, hide the structure, hide the end collider. Let's make a node real quick. Here, let me put on, while I'm doing all this, I'll put the music back on. Listen to a song. Doing it right. Am I doing it right? Am I doing it? Open game art, that's what it's called. I want to remember what I was doing. My focus has stopped. I was doing this. I was adding a node. Let's add a blank node. I started looking for audio. Jesus. I'm so good at paying attention, you guys. I want to make a UI. We're just going to shove all of this in here. So then I can minimize that. Next to me. Hang on a second. We'll leave these at the bottom. I'll be doing it. I'll be doing it. And then I want to make another node for audio. Nope. have to make a separate stream player for everything? I don't think so. Tell you what, let's start off. Let's start off with something simple. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a UI button sound effect. We're gonna add a simple "you've clicked the button" sound effect. Now, is that something that I can do in the button itself? Let's find out. Button. Do they have an option for this already? Doesn't look like it. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything for it. Input? No. No, I'm not seeing anything for audio on that. Okay, so we're gonna have to add the audio separate then. Manually. So I will probably add, in theory, I'll have some sort of audio file, and then I will connect a function that plays that audio file to the button pressed signal. Alright, let's listen to our library of sounds then. Oh, this song's almost over. I'll let it go. Wonder bar. So let's take a look-see here. This is our wonderful library of sounds at the moment. Currently, it's got a bunch of sounds that we don't know if we want. So let's find out if we want some. 51 UI sound effects. Good lord. How many different buttons does this person own? Did they just press buttons into a microphone and flip light switches and stuff? One of those sounded like a light switch. That's a lot of buttons. I guess I've split that up into Audacity. In Audacity, rather. Into separate files. It's the only thing I can think of that I would do with it. I definitely wouldn't want to play all of them at the same time. Oops, I just messed that up. Well, I just messed this whole thing up.
Shit.
Let's see what happens when I distract myself from myself. There we go, we're back to normal. Normal is a very loose term here. I'll search for individual UI sound effects. I think. I want all of sound effect. Can I filter this? Sound effects, we'll say. Let's filter. So UI search. Tag is UI. button. Sure. It's also very high tech. Those are all very clearly physical buttons that they're pressing. Oh, no, that's not GUI. It's very echoey. I don't want echoey, I don't think. They put a lot of reverb on these. No. No, I don't think so. Retro? Where's the rest of them? As I said, there were 10. Oh. That sounds like a jump sound effect, actually. I think preferably I'd want to get all of these from the same package so that they're very similar in their style. Let's check out the 8-bit ones. Oh, it's just the one. No. Some of those sound like doors. Clicks and switches. Some of these are keyboards. Some of these are keyboards, aren't they? With really loud buttons. Really loud switches. Maybe not. Keyboard switches are usually pretty smooth. They don't crunch. There are crunchy keyboard switches though, aren't there? They have some bite to the press, for lack of a better word. Hold on, is there buttons rocks? Oh. What if I just search rocks? Rocks. What's that? Can I get a sound of rocks falling, please? No. Hey. Is UI an option? Graphical user interface. Oh, nobody uses that. Tag. Nope. That sounds like somebody's scraping glass. I don't like that. So, hold on. The first few of those sounds like somebody smacking their lips. Wait, hold on. This is decline too. It's just the accept in reverse. Okay. Chimey. Okay. Too long. I want a short one. No, okay. I think I'm in... Ugh! It sounded like someone just threw up. I know that was like a jug of water being emptied, but... Okay. These also kind of sound like phone notification sounds. Hover. Confirm. Decline. Okay, this one still sounds jumpy to me. Or, this one sounds jumpy to me. I think this is the decline sound that they had on here. So those are good potential ones. What's this? Uppity bloop. Yeah, that could be good for start, I guess. We'll skip this one. Just download this one. How do I do that? Oh, here we go. On a WAV file? I want an OGG. I want an OGG file, I think. Let's get the button press in there. Let's get it working. I want to see my little boy. Let's put him back down to the bottom, just in case when I upload this, if someone decides to play it. I don't know if people... I've got a few people that follow the itch. But I'm not sure if they get notifications every time I upload a new file. I don't know how that works, so I'm probably annoying a lot of people. But that's a normal day for me. I assume maybe there's some sort of test page that I can utilize, but I don't know how to utilize that, so I am not. I'll research that later. Okay. I assume I want a second audio stream player. Oh, there's a difference between the player and the player 2D? Interesting. Wait, hold on. Why doesn't this play... What? Hold on, can you see portal things from down here? I just realized. Portal things. And then you have portal. That's my hope, at least, is that makes sense there. Okay. Stop! I need to go test the UI later as well, but for right now, everything will be a-okay. Yeah. Video game menu highlights. Feature. I don't want it to loop. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Start UI GD. Then let's say start button dot pressed dot connect. We'll call it play start button sound. And then we'll go make that, because it doesn't exist yet. No. Oh no. Pass. I don't know how to play that. Dot play? Maybe that. Let's find out. Oh, an audio effect. No, I don't think it's an effect. I think audio effect is it sound. Is it... Why wouldn't it be audio? Audio bus layout. Godot. Play sound effect. Let's just do some Googling here instead of trying to figure it out ourselves. I know someone's done this before. Trying to play a sound in my game for a week. Can't get any results. They're reassigning and replaying the sound in. Okay. Well, I'm not doing that. There's an audio stream player 2D. What does the dollar sign at the beginning mean again? Static. Is that static typing? What if I type out dollar sign? Dollar sign. What does the dollar sign? Okay, yeah. Google apparently doesn't recognize the dollar sign. Maybe I have to put that in quotes so it specifically recognizes it as something that I want to search for and it's not a mistake. So uses syntax to get a specific node. Oh, it's the exact same thing as get node? That doesn't sound right. This is from 2020. Is there a more recent one? 9 months ago? There's no way that it's the exact same, otherwise they wouldn't have made it a short... I mean, I guess it could just be a shorthand. I don't know why they would do that. And also have get node available. Should I use dollar sign and percent in my scripts instead of get node? Apparently it's at least very similar, if it's not the same thing. These people are talking about it, and this is the most recent one that I found so far. These people are talking about it about the same context. So I guess it is just the same thing. Wah, 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 wah. Uh-oh, I've done hecked up. I've made a mistake here. Let's put everything back in position then. Anyway. So they're using an audio stream. There we go, the top's back. Or the bottom's back. The bottom's... They're using an audio stream. Player 2D. Why doesn't that show up here? Oh, it did. It just wasn't... Oh, there's a scroll bar there. I'm so unobservant. So we get the audio stream player 2D, and then we say start button sounds. You're a problem. Play is not a function then, is underscore play a function? Oh. Is... Do I need to have... I feel like having an audio stream player for every single one of these isn't a good idea, and I should probably load them in as they come, but also loading them in as they come sounds like a bad idea because then I'm loading them on the fly, which will take time, which means that they could play off tempo for when I need them to happen. I guess I should also maybe have an if start doesn't like that either. Expected a period after the if condition. Oh, expected a colon after the if condition. Sorry. I didn't see that. Expected indented block after if. Yep. Play. Then if I start button sound not declared in the current scope. What do you mean? Oh, I have it written as underscore start button sound. Better. Okay. All right. Let's open up the UI. Start UI. Drop this bad boy in here. Let's give it a whirl. A bloop. We've got bloops, boys. It sounds like it's a bit quiet, though. I might need to boost it a little. Can I boost it? Here, you know what? Actually, let's start button sound. Let's boost it by 0.5. Whoops, a 0.05. Okay, what if I boost it by 5? I don't know if that sounds any different. $24. I heard that. 15 maybe? Maybe 12. Let's try 12. 12 decibels. Okay. So far so. So far so. Alright. We put our first sound in. I'm still wary about the having one audio stream and then having everything swap out for the player. I'm not sure how that's gonna go exactly. Maybe it'll be fine. Sorry. So let's figure out for movement. You know what? Hold on. Let's actually, before I get married to one of those sounds, let's do platform. Platformer. See what we have in the way of that. What the hell is that? Okay. Eerie horror. This sounds like a landing on something. Wait, that's teleport. Does this hit? Attack. Down. Okay. Landing sounds okay. It sounds dusty, but it sounds okay. I'm not terribly out of love with that. Wait, no, this is for Earth. Let's move to a different set though. I'll keep this one open. Small sound effects pack. Laser. Voice pack. No, I don't think so. It's just the one. Okay. doesn't sound like a walk. 12 mayor Blair mayor. Walking on sunshine. Okay. Mech stomp sound. That's the sound of a skeleton walking. Okay. I don't know if these sounds are good for walking. In my opinion. I don't really have a can that I can use. I dropped the whole cube. Really have a can that I can use to get the sound myself, I don't think. And even if I did, I'm not sure the quality of it would be amazing either way. So that's a problem. I'm no Foley artist. Cube. Yay. So far, the best one I have is this. Let's try movement. Nope. What was the landing sound that I heard earlier that I thought about? This one. That one does kind of sound like a landing on something, but it sounds like landing on dirt. Movement metal? Nope. Okay, stop. Metal and wood impact. No. Not glass. Whoops. I've got a pair of scissors here that I'm tapping things with now. I feel like it would be like a slight ringing, but it would be still pretty short and dull. Because I mean it's a grasshopper. I'll go get a grasshopper and put it in a soda can and then record the sound effects. I don't even know if grasshoppers are still out right now. It's probably hot enough. Because all these sounds are like metal on metal. Some of those metal footsteps aren't bad. It sounds more like grated metal, but I mean, it's probably the closest I'm gonna get for free on a random compilation website. We'll pop that one open. Was it this one? This is this one. Okay. Yeah, ladders and grates. Yeah, they're definitely they are grated metal. Also includes dog bones and skeletons. Okay. 31 pings and metal flings. Hold on, does this have the Garand sound in it? The M1 Garand? Ching. No, I think this is just tapping. This is one file. Hold on, a scrape. Why are these so soft? These are so soft. Anyway, I might be able to take a scrape sound and play it for when the player hits a slope and they're uncontrollably sliding down it. That would be interesting. That would be an interesting way of handling that. Yeah, let's download that footsteps. This one. Zip file. Let's get that one. Let's get the scrapes. Good, they use 7-zip. I have that. That's fine.
Specifically for this reason.
Still downloading? That's done. Oh, there it is. I see him. Open with. No, extract. Yes. And then I want to 7-zip. Extract. There we are. 2 folders worth of materials. Let me cut these and put them in their rightful place. Here, you know what? Actually, I'm going to make a separate folder for these. I'm going to call it game audio source files. And spell it wrong. I'm going to spell it wrong on purpose. I spelled it F-I-E-L-S. There we are. Where's Audacity? Let's separate some of these out. Separate them out. Okay. I'm not gonna read that. I don't have time. I'm too lazy. What do we have here? Media player, yes please. Wait, these are pings and scrapes. Hold on, wrong file. I want steppies first. Dog? What do the dogs ones sound like? Sounds like a horse. Good lord. Oh, I can't just like cycle through these. Grass, gravel, metal, mech. What's the mech one sound like? Hold on. I see. Bones, metal. Let's do a metal steppy. It's a bit of a heavy. I don't want it to get annoying. Hold on, do I have a loop option? I imagine I'd mix these together a bit. I actually don't need Audacity. These are all split up. I don't know why I thought I was going to have to split them up myself. I also don't know why this keeps saying we can't open this, because it's clearly playing it. It's just incorrect. Like, I don't know what to tell it, but it's just wrong. I can't, like, grab these and randomize them. Hold on, I can make a script for it, though. Let's add a little audio test script. Let's make. I want repos, game jams, this one, assets, audio. There. Slayer. Walking. Og. All right. Here, let me turn on some music, I guess, while I'm setting up the code for this. Those are already lined up. I might as well use that one. I have become distracted again. Help. There's... There we go. Problem solved. Until I get up to go get water at some point today. Let's add a... Let's call this audio walk cycle. No, I want a generic audio randomizer test. Export. I want audio file. Can I make, hold on, let me. I don't think I can make like a package of audio. I was hoping they'd have some sort of audio editing like they do for the tiles and whatnot. Buh. Like I could make a package of these that automatically randomizes itself. Let's do a little Googling before I actually start this. Just to see if they do. Close these out. Let's do Stow randomize sounds. Audio stream randomizer. Oh, okay. Okay. Hold on then. I don't see a node for that. Maybe that's not a node. Audio stream. Nope. That's not an option. Random audio stream player plugin. Don't have that. I could try to find an extension for it. Heh. Tell me what. I need to go take a break, I think. It's about time. I need to refill on my water. I'll be right back. That took longer than I thought it was going to, but I'm back. Sorry about that. I will be switching over to my faceless version, though. Bip. Bop. So that I can eat some food whilst doing some work. Right. Somebody was mentioning before I left for my little break there, my very, very long break there. Oh my god, that was like a 40-minute break. I didn't think it was that long. Anyway. Before I left for the break, somebody was mentioning that, there was a randomizer that I could use for the audio. We just need one. Oh, I'll make a random number. Okay, that's... Wait, how old is this one? This is from 2021. That's defunct. So I randomize audio with the audio stream player. That's OBS. Oh. Let's see what he's got. Okay, so he does pull in all of the files individually into his code. Wait. How do you make arrays in Python? Or in, not Python, but, GDScript. I've never made an array. If I could make an array, that'd be easier. Be a whole lot easier. Hang on. I think I could just do this via code, and we'll just make a GDScript array. Or list. An array would work out fine. Bar array. Can I make an array of objects? If I I have to manually define what's in there, though. Can I export array? Does it automatically adjust the size? No. Oh wait, hold on. That element, maybe? No, okay. There will be 8 elements. Nothing in the choice of audio there. I can't make it an array of audio elements. But it just... does it have like a file, maybe? Dictionary object. Node path. String rect. Packed float, packed vector, packed... Shit. Object doesn't count, I don't think, does it? I don't know what an AABB is. I know what an APB? ABB? I don't know what I'm looking at right here. Directory open? Is he loading these things from their... Why can't I just make them drag and drop? This is from 3 years ago. There's got to be a way to just put these in here. It apparently doesn't recognize it, though. It's an object. Oh, it recognized that! I have to set all of these manually. I mean, individually, rather. Like playing in traffic. Okay, so that's now set. So I should be able to generate a random number, grab that index from the array, and play that sound via the process. Alright. That might not be the best way of handling it, but I can at least see how the randomization works. How it sounds when it's randomized, truly. Oh, there's a pick random option for arrays. I didn't know that. That's handy. I don't even need a random number generator. I could just do dot pick random. And that should work out fine, yeah? And then I can say play. If playing. Okay, hold on. Play. Okay, playing is it. If not playing, then alright, let's see how this sounds. It might not really match anything right now. Actually, no, it'll just start playing at the beginning. Oh, hold on, maybe I should, yeah. Oh no, it won't start playing. Okay, hold on, let me pause the music. Okay, we can hear. Let's see what this does. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Oh, you know what? I do actually need to leave those web pages open because I think I should probably credit these guys. I completely forgot about that. I completely forgot about credits. Okay, alright, okay, alright, stop! Perfect. Alright, so now I just need to, have this be something that I can reuse. And add it to the player for various things. I don't think I can just make an instance of this. I don't think this is a class. Because I don't really have to start. I don't really have to copy what I did. Because it's gonna change where it's actually at. Like it's not all gonna be in process. I'm going to have to only activate it at specific times. So I guess it's fine that I'm having to write it out like this. Anyway, I could organize it so that it was like a class that I could make an instance of and call specific functions out of. But I think it's fine doing it like this. It'll be a-okay. I just realized that I was making that start UI because I just changed that string and I had to change it manually in here, and I'm like, I don't want to do that ever again. So I just made it a node path variable. That seems much easier. I need to do that for the actions as well, I think. If I can make it so that I could just actually have a direct reference to the actions instead of having to rename them every single time. That would probably be ideal. Where's the schmoovin'? When do he schmoove? He schmoove here! Now, I don't know exactly what... he doesn't really have a walking animation. Oh, but G's Big City Life, wow. Boom. Is it already dark outside? Oh my god. It's like it's autumn or something. Oh, I'm about to eat food. I should mute my mic, huh?
Got them moves, got them vibes, we got the strategy, do it all night, do it
Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna have to get a reference to this node anyway. I can just make it a function inside of that node. And then just have the player call it. Wipe out of your mind. Organize, organize. So let's add... No, not that. Where did I put it? Oh, I have it in a completely different format. Of course I named it incorrectly. Where's my rename? How did I rename this?
Push me to the max.
I guess I have to go find it inside of the...
The fire system.
Stop. Wait, what? Oh, it's in scenes. Because it was automatically made. We're gonna call it... Oops. I did underscore at the beginning there. Oh, yeah, that's a problem because I'm moving it currently. I think I'm gonna remove this script. Attach script. Put this in scripts. I'll organize this later to be a little bit tighter. Alright, let's just go ahead and do this. Oh, hold on. I just called that player audio player. I should probably call it player audio stream. I guess it's an audio stream player. So it is technically the player. Oh well. It's not like I'm working on this with somebody else. Push the go. This means I have to apply all those sounds that I just did again. I have to make the array again. There's got to be an easier way to make arrays than manually assigning every single individual object in the inspector. Oh, I didn't export this. I still didn't export that. The people. Push the tempo. Feel the beat go. The peep. The stream in Audio Stream Player appears to refer to the file itself. So I don't think I can call this the audio stream, player audio stream, because I think that implies that it is one channel where audio files get played, maybe. Actually, I guess that's correct. You know what? Screw it. We're gonna call it a stream. Wait, that's not right. I need the node path.
Add that to
Call me. Oh, wait. No, better idea. Even better idea. Wow. I don't know why I decided that I was going to go for the path and not just give me the node. Just put the node in it. What? Player. Save. Huh. Wait. Interesting. There's no variables. Wow. Oh, it's because I have an error. That's why. It's not compiling it. Precious thing. Oh, hello, caps lock. Jeez. All right. Good. Great. Neat. Cool. Shake it, shake it, mama. Shake it for me. Wow. I could have can this way the timer can be directly tied to the player itself. So it'll check a boolean that says if it can play the sounds, it'll just pass it through, and if it can't, it just won't do anything. Otherwise, it'll play the sound. There we go. And then stream will be set equal to that, and then we run play. Otherwise. Uh-oh, it needs a colon.
Hiya!
I don't need you. This is happening on process. I don't need you. Because this is something that I want to call specific individual functions from. So currently, will just say true here for right now. I'll just hard lock it at true. Zuby's still going. Yeah, let me pause this. Well, it's almost over. I'll let the song finish itself out. You can close out some tabs in the process. No. Alright. Let's test the walkie sounds. Ah. Non-existent function. Okay, I must have named them something different then. What did I name it? I could have sworn I copied them over. Oh, I added an underscore. Maybe let's make sure that that's the same. We'll add an underscore. Underscore. Try again. Oh, wait, you know what? There's no sounds in the array. It certainly is attempting to play something, but there's nothing there. Oh, look at that. Yep. That certainly seems like a problem, yeah? I need that to be 8. Oh, enter. Oh, enter. No. Oh. And then we drag all of the walking sounds into here. From our lovely free game sounds website. Easy peasy. Reload. Well, it technically works. Wait, hold on. Okay, good. Did you know the grasshoppers are actually machine guns? It's like I'm grinding nuts. Okay. Now we can put maybe a timer on that so so that it plays at the right intervals. I wonder, you know what? Hold on. Does the Sprite Animator 2D let you apply sounds? Animated Sprite 2D, sorry. I don't think it does. No. I can't, at least I can't just drag and drop it in. I don't know if Godot already has something that handles what I'm trying to do, but I can handle it manually, definitely. So that's kind of just what I'm opting for at the moment. It might be reinventing the wheel, but sometimes that's good for learning. But watch it back. No, I should probably get back to my food too. I should take a bite. You better watch your back. Okay. So let's take the player movement here. And instead of telling it true all the time, in the process function, we're going to have a timer running, I think. I probably could make a state machine for this, like I'm sure there's some sort of visual state machine that I could use, but what if I used text instead? That would be pretty silly, I think. Back. Did I spell seething wrong? No, I don't think I did. Hold on, I have to double check that. No, I did not. Okay. I thunk. I thought I thunk. Watch your back. Should this be handled here? Let's set it for like half a second, I think, maybe for right now. Wait, where's the process? That's process. care. Why is that red? Oh, this whole thing's been shifted over. Chris! Gross! I don't like it! Ew! Oh, whoops, I passed it. I only want this to happen if they are doing the walking, though. Oh, wait, no, I think it's just if move direction. Let's try that.
I'll go pause the Musak again.
Nothing's happening. Woo. What then? Debug is not filled with... Method must be implemented. Instantiate playback. Method failed returning audio playback. It doesn't even tell me where it's at, though. Audio stream. Where are you? Audio stream playback. Instantiate playback. Failed to instantiate playback. Okay, hold on, let's refresh this. Oh, the debugger's already got them in there. It's happening on start, whatever it is. I don't know why it insists on doing this. Alright, what? There. Jeez. Okay, my food is finished. Hold on, is that just the thing that's been happening the whole time? It's autoplay? Turn that on, does this? Okay, hang on, I'm gonna pause the music again. Sorry. See if the error happens if I leave that playing. Yes, it does. This method must be implemented, but I don't know where. So this method? Okay, well I know that that's not it, so I can turn this back off so we can focus on the other sounds. And I don't have to stop the music every time I do this now. Interesting. Something null here? No. Bacon. It doesn't try to repeat, so either the player's not actually calling that play function properly, or well, I just tested it and it was working though. There's also not millions of errors spitting out whenever he walks. Oh yeah, I did learn that with these uneven colliders on the bottom of this, you can get launched just a little bit. Wait, there weren't any errors that time, were there? Hang on a second. Did I just hear? I did hear Steppy. It only did it the first contact with the ground, though. So something must be wrong with my conditions, then. My conditions must be incorrect.
Get out of here. Nobody wants to see your code.
I read your outputs. For colors. So if the player is pressing a move direction, and is on floor. If we have a move direction, set the timer, add delta to the timer rather.
What's your name?
And then after that timer value is greater than or equal to the max time, say that we can play the walk cycle audio. So after every half second, it allows it to play one sound. Should be a pretty decent pace, I think. At least for testing purposes. Only playing it on contact, like when the player comes back into contact with the ground next. And that wasn't the direction. Is that something to do with direction? No, because it was working before. Okay, let's start printing some things out, I guess. Actually, let me breakpoint instead. I want to run a breakpoint right there and see if it actually ever detects it. Okay, so far no breakpoint, which is already a problem. Huh. Sorry for the silence. I'm mulling over what's potentially here is causing problems. Why did it break point when I initiated a jump? Because this is positive. This is on floor. This is not am I in the air. This is not like an is just on floor. Like it's is this the first frame where the state changes to being on the floor? Or from leaving the floor? It's not like something like that. I'm quite stumped. Okay, let's break point here and see if we can figure out what move direction we're in. Obviously, I need more information. Okay. Maybe it's this. Nope. I did use plus equals, okay. Okay, let's print this out then. I've got to go turn off my other print, I think, too. Well, the print only happens when I jump. I think I'll leave it on for right now. Oh, god damn it. It's not doing plus equals for some reason. It's just setting it equal. It's 1.0166 every single time. So for some reason it's resetting it to 0. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah. try that instead. Nothing. It's still not right. My wife could learn a thing or two. I'm going to remove everywhere that I set it to 0. Oh, I still have the old setting it to 0. I never got rid of it, apparently. Why is it quieter? Oh, it's because the audio system is attached to the player. This has to be part of the player itself. No wonder. Okay. Wonderful. So, put these back here. Kill. This is getting to be a tall script. Look at how thick this boy is. I would like to probably section some of this stuff out at some point. Small. It's currently zoomed in so much so that you guys can make anything that I'm typing out. I want to actually lower that time. So let's make this like a 0.3 instead and see what that does. Oh, good. What else did I change? Oh, I was gonna go make it its own function, right? But I never did, and I completely forgot that I cut it instead of copying it. I wonder if maybe I can lower the the BPM? No, not the BPM. The gain. Well, let's see what it sounds like with the audio here. Did it just double itself? That was weird. Well, at least we got that working now. Let me take my dishes away. And then I'll come back. And maybe try to clean this up just a smidge. I would like... I would like there to be one audio stream for everything for the player, which I think I can manage that. Because then if I can make a setting, I can actually make a settings slider that handles the background music separate from the sound effects that the player can make. Although I guess that slider would probably manage 2 different audio streams, because if I want to add something to the portals, if I want to add a little sound to the portals to make them whoosh or whatever when the player walks through them, that might be its own audio stream rather than the one that the player has, obviously. It also depend on if the player states it distinct enough that I don't have to ever play 2 different types of audio, I think. And if the case is that I do need to play more than one audio file at the same time, then I guess I can just manage both of those streams with that slider too. I don't know. That I feel like I'm making this more complex than it should be in my brain. Hopefully not. I'll be right back. Oh wait, hold on. I have to do a little bit more of a complex process. Hello. Welcome back, everybody. Including me. Thanks. You're welcome.
She's got her nails done and her hair.
I want to separate out this into its own function, just to kind of declutter it a little bit. See if I can link these directly to states, maybe. What was the... Wait, hold on. Why don't I just... I could match state. I can't... Oh, I can't simplify it. I could do if. I feel like there might be too many checks. I think I'm confusing myself at this point. I think maybe if I just... Let's just do one of these. Meow, 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 meow. There we go. That's all it needs. I feel like I should add another frame to those still. Oh, I just realized, hold on, this is probably really disorienting in terms of audio. So I'm playing everything at the same time as well as the music in the background. What happens if I hit the very corner here? Is it just a stop? Yeah, it's just a stop. I'm pretty sure the player is a rectangular box collider, if I remember correctly. Yeah, okay. Hang on, if I wonder if replacing those... I was concerned about replacing a certain set of blocks with these little jiggly boys. The wiggly ones, the wavy ones. Because if I did that, they only have half of the collider of the original, like, full square blocks. But they also have different geometry on them, which are kind of makes you move in directions that you weren't expecting. This one. This is the one I mean. So it'll be half as high, so you could get pretty easily in here, I think. We'll have to deal with that later. Are there any other audio things that I want to try today? I know I wanted to try to implement sliding on the ramps at some point. That is a whole new thing to try, though. It is about 8, too. But I've also only been working for 4 hours. I feel like I should be working longer. Let me turn off this print as well. Oh, it's not there. Maybe I should see if I could find a jump audio that I like. Just see what this comes up with. Yeah, I didn't think so. Metal impact? I wonder if that's probably metal hitting metal, like, yeah, like falling metal. Short impact. Metal things falling, clangs. Metallic click. Footsteps. Metal footsteps on concrete. Huh. Pouring milk into a pot. Close. Close. Hold on, what does this sound like? If your milk makes that kind of sound, well, that's probably the air bubbles. I was about to say, that sounds chunky. That sounds like it's cheese at the bottom. It's the beginning of... I forgot the name of the song. Land Down Under. Ting 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 ting. No, I don't think I want to do that. Let's try it. Short impact. That's not a metal click. Mechanical explosion. Yeah, okay. I mean, I guess that probably would sound like a big metal sheet, wouldn't it? I love the I love the wobbly sounds of sheet metal. It's so good. Hold on, I'm gonna grab that. I want to see what individual sounds I can separate out of it. Because that doesn't sound like all of them. Soup, soup. Let's unzip this into the folder that I need it to be in prematurely. Select folder. Wait. I need to call it the same thing, I think. I don't need to, but... It would behoove me to try. I want a dull metal collision. Are these just numbered? Yeah. That kind of a clang doesn't sound that bad. Boy. Okay. Okay. I feel like one of these is probably best. Maybe not that one. That one doesn't sound that bad. That one doesn't sound that bad. But these also just kind of sound like this one. This one. And this one. I think sound more like landing sounds, like you've hit the ground. You were jumping and now you've hit the ground. Hold on, I want to listen to a wobble. Oh, that's a simple wobble. Is there a long wobble? Woo! What? I want a long one. No. They're all so short. I must have been a rapid fire of all of the wobbles together that I heard then. Metal grit. Oh yeah. Okay, I think one of these dull metal collisions is probably what I should go for the landing sound. I still have Audacity open like a fool. That one's not going to be on a timer or anything. This one's just going to be if they hit the ground. If they were not on the ground and now they are, then play that sound, basically. And if in the future I decide to make a splat sprite, I can also apply that there. So let's pull in... landing. Let's pull in a few of these dull metal collisions. Because I liked these three at the bottom, I think. Yeah, I liked these three at the bottom. There's no paste. No, there's no paste. Set volume to be. This? Yeah. Yeah, that. Alright, I guess I have to manually drag these into place. Inside the file system. Hug. Hug. Copy, paste. Make sure these are the right ones. Yeah, okay. They're a bit hollow. I'd like to maybe play with them a little. I like the ones that are less hollow. Not that one, maybe. These three I kind of like. And that, the first one. That one. Okay. So let's go with those for right now. These will all load in. We're going to try to get the landing sound implemented before I stop working today, and then I'll move over to Metroid Prime for the evening. Which I should be doing more story mission stuff. Somebody send me a message. Oh, yes. Hang on a second. I need to answer these. Okay. Oh, I should have probably turned on the music, yeah? I'll be doing it. I'll be doing it. Yeah, okay. We're good. Alright, good to go. I'll be seeing you next to me. Nope, no brackets. We'll put the default as this -5 decibels, I guess. I guess it all depends on whether... I might have to go in and like manually normalize all of these audio files, I'm not sure. I've never really messed with audio before. This is my first time ever really trying any of this. I usually just forego audio completely. But I want to taste a little bit of everything, which is why I've been doing this project. Gotta get some appreciation for what other people do. $13? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I really like this song. I need something to compare. I need to check to see if we weren't grounded the previous frame, I think. I won't set that there. Where do I set?
Check it out.
I want to change this at the end, I think. Like I specifically need to check though if is on floor is now true versus player grounded last frame being false. How about that? If is on floor and not grounded last frame, then what did I call that? Player audio stream. You can say hi. Play. Wow. What did I call this? Ah, underscore. Right. Sorry about that. Try to minimize that as much as I can. Just... Oh. Oh, that's right. I have to... Here. We'll just pass it true. Music is really loud, comparatively. If I was really... If I was really wanting to... I might actually do this. I can adjust which sound plays based on the velocity that the player's approaching the ground with. That'd be kind of fun, because then I could have the much duller ones be for short jumps. Then I can have something like that one play for a full jump, like you're falling. You're falling for a long time. You've built up a lot of velocity. Hang on, let's see if I can get it to. one of those. Oh, I'm far away from the sounds now. Right. Let me go actually put those under the player. Or I can add a follow the player to them. Let's try that. Let's see if it follows. Player is broken now. What happened? Landing sound in base null instance of on a null instance. Oh. How's that? Nope, still doesn't like that. Attempt to call function play landing sound is based null instance on a null instance. How are they not? How's the player not already grounded? First of all. Oh, they are barely not grounded. I do see it. Okay. Well. Well, it didn't go off this time. What happened? Let's run that again. You know what? I'm just gonna keep playing it until it happens again. Or if it happens again. No, not that time. There's a big difference between a lot of these landing sounds too. I think I'm gonna have to pick a style. One of I'll have to. I kind of like the hollow one actually, the one that sounds like a sheet metal. That one. Okay, that one sounds like sheet metal too, I guess. Oh shit, I've got wood. I have a wood material there. That's not supposed to sound like metal. I'll have to make some sort of differentiation for the tiles as well then.
Ah.
That one will have to be like a dull thunk too. How am I supposed to differentiate between what terrain he's on? Huh. I could have it detect which tile out of the map, out of the atlas he's standing on, maybe. Because I'm gonna have to have different walking sounds for that too. I didn't even think about that. Let me add that to my to-do list. I think I'm gonna call it for game design development tonight. Because I've got at least another 3 hours. And I want to continue the Metroid Prime storyline. Figure out terrain. Differences. Differentiation. Differentiation for audio. Make landing sounds dynamic based on velocity. I can also further extend that by playing with the decibels a little bit, I think. If I directly program in how that it should either raise or lower the decibels based on how the velocity looks. That can also give it some added flavor. There was a third thing I was thinking about, I think. Differentiation between the different materials for the tiles. Try to figure that out. If that's not possible, I might have to rethink how I'm doing the tiles. And make landing sounds dynamic based on velocity. I have that timer right now for the walking. I wonder if that should be sort of a general... You can play a new sound every 0.3 seconds, basically. It doesn't matter what the sound is. It doesn't matter if it's walking, landing, jumping, hitting a slope and sliding or something. You can play a new sound every 0.3 seconds. Or the length of the current audio file, whichever one's... Well, no, I don't want to lock the length of the current audio file in, because if something gets canceled, maybe I shouldn't have a sound for the slopes. That'd be cool, but I don't know exactly how I would handle that. I'd have to like have a start, and then it would have to have a loop that I could run, and then I would have to have an end, probably. And then the player would have to detect when it's on a slope, when it hits the slope, when it is still on a slope, and then when it leaves the slope. It's a lot of calculation, but I would be interested in figuring out how that works. It's a lot of minor things that I'm learning. They're pretty cool. I like them. It's nothing cutting edge, obviously, but it's still pretty fun. Okay, I'll leave my to-do list at that. And maybe once I take a look at this, I will realize something else that I should have added, or maybe next time I tackle this, which I think will be Monday, I will realize something that I should have updated on it. For now, I'm going to switch over to video game. So, if you're on the YouTube side of things, thanks for watching. Hopefully I might try to cut a little more than BRBs out this time, so that I can have it be a little bit more viewable, because there were long swaths of me just like sitting there not saying anything. I don't know if I should cut those out or not. Anyway, take care and goodbye. But if you're sticking around for